If your furnace is over 10 years old and still running, then you should watch this video till the end, because still working doesn't always mean still safe. Here's how. False sense of security. Most homeowners assume their furnace is fine as long as it turns on and heats the house. And we don't blame them. But it's also the reason many serious furnace issues go unnoticed. Heating systems don't fail all of a sudden. They age quietly, losing efficiency, safety margins, and tolerances year after year. And by the time a problem becomes obvious, it's already out of hand. What changes after 10 years? At Superior HVAC Service, we believe that once a furnace crosses the 10-year mark, several things begin to shift. For starters, the metal components weaken from repeated heating and cooling. The sensors also drift out of calibration. Electrical connections loosen.
My father is 87 years old.
Her father, Alfred Hagens, has a heart condition.
My daughter is helping me all she can.
And among all this, the internal parts work harder to deliver the same heat, which really questions its safety and reliability. Why this matters. Aging furnaces don't usually give dramatic warnings. Instead, they show subtle signs that you should notice. These signs include uneven heating, frequent cycling, unfamiliar smell and noise, and lower run times. These aren't just comfort issues. They are early indicators of efficiency loss or safety concerns developing inside the system. For families, the risk is more than just a cold night. It's the unexpected breakdowns, rising energy use, or issues that surface when the system is under the most stress. The goal of this video isn't to make you panic. Instead, it's about raising awareness. Regular inspections on older furnaces aren't about replacing something that still works. It's about confirming that your furnace is operating within safe limits. That's all for today. How long has your furnace been running? Comment below.